Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Today I want to run you through this adorable friend Valentine. I think that's what best describes this. It says, you're the kind of friend I'd share my branch with. And this card features the brand new bird Banter from Stampin Up and the Stampin Blends markers. These are both new products to the 2018 Occasions catalog. We're going to need a Memento ink pad in addition to the Stampin Blends. I've got light old olive, I've got dark Bermuda Bay, dark pool party, light and dark calypso coral, and light and dark daffodil delight. I've got some white baker's twine here and my consumable supplies. Pretty simple. I have a Bermuda Bay card base that's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have 2 pieces of the brand new Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper. Now you can get this Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper absolutely free, but you cannot buy it. It's a celebration item, and it is yours during celebration with a $50 minimum purchase from either the Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog or the Stampin' Up! Annual catalog, 2017-18 annual catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut the little dovetail banners at the bottom of here, and then I'll show you the rest of the consumable pieces that we need. This little stripe throws me a little bit. If you've got trouble cutting that dovetail banner, grab your banner triple punch. Alright, I've got a piece of lemon lime twist cardstock here, and this is 1/2 inch by 3, and I have a piece of Whisper white cardstock here, and this one is 3.5 by 2 3/4. All right, project sheet is on the blog KitchenTableStamper.com, and you can buzz over there and print all of these dimensions. You don't have to worry about writing them down right now. All right, I'm going to pull out my snail adhesive here, and we're going to just quickly go ahead and add the banners to the card base. Now this card base is 4 1/4. You're going to do about, I don't know, 1/2 inch on the side there, and then going to add the adhesive to the coral piece, and it's okay to let them hang off the top edge there a little bit, about 1/2 inch on the right side of the card too. And we're going to turn that over, get our paper snips back. Let me put the sample back in the picture here, and we'll trim off the top edge here where we have excess Designer Series paper. Okay, we'll put these aside for just a minute, get a Stampin' Pierce mat and my Memento ink pad, and we'll get stamping. The first thing we're going to do is ink up the branch and add that across the bottom of the card here. And you can see that the leaves are maybe a 1/2 inch from the bottom. Then I'm going to go in with the little leaf image from Bird Banter, and we're going to add a few more leaves here. This branch is a little sparse, but it comes with this little leaf image. So we'll stamp one up, and we'll stamp one down. And I got the 2 little parakeet images here, and they are made to face each other. So we'll ink them up with Memento and stamp them right on the branch. I love the photopolymer. I can see that their feet are on the branch. And our second little budgie. All right, now got the little heart image. Everything here is from Bird Banter, 1 stamp set today. You're the kind of friend I'd share my branch with. I'm going to stamp that right of center on the lemon lime twist strip. We're going to do some coloring in and some simple blending. Let me give you a little closer look here of what I'm doing. All right, I think that's pretty good. Got my light old olive, and for the leaves I'm just going to simply color them all in. Just one shade, simple coloring. I love these Stampin' Blends markers. They're alcohol based and they just color in so smooth. You don't see any streaks or color buildup where you color one layer of color over another, like with a water-based marker. All right, get these done. Look at how pretty they are, just rich green color. Now for some simple blending. I've got my light Calypso Coral and I'm going to just make a little circle here and leave a tiny little white highlight on my heart. Now color in with the light Calypso Coral and then take the dark, and on the opposite side of the highlight we're going to add a shadow with the dark Calypso Coral. Then where the light and the dark come together, just scribble a little bit of the light color and it'll blend it right in. Now while we've got our light marker, let's go ahead and touch their little noses, the top of their beaks there. And for the bird bodies, you know, I think I can bring this one in too without, there, now you can see where we're going, what we're doing here and where we're going. All right, now this is the dark pool party marker and I'm just gonna scribble in my little budgie's head and wing, and I'm gonna take the dark Calypso Coral and at the back of his head here where the artist is kind of drawn in some feathers, we're gonna put the blue, and then down the side and bottom of the wing. And then where the two shades come together, again, we'll just scribble a little bit of the light color again. And did you notice that? We're using Pool Party and Bermuda Bay to get a little bit darker combination. Crafty girls do what they want, that's what I say. All right, so I've got the light Daffodil Delight. I'm gonna do his beak, and then his little body and tail with the light Daffodil Delight. Now to give a little bit of shape, some shadow to my birdie, I'm gonna put a bit of the dark Daffodil Delight right up underneath the wing and down the tail underneath the wing. Last little touch of blending here. We're going to blend where the light and the dark Daffodil Delight come together. Pretty cute, eh? All right, I'm gonna color the other bird exactly the same way, and then I'll cut in and we'll assemble this card. Okay, there is our finished bird branch. I'm going to grab my white baker's twine here. We're still working real close, so until I get the adhesive on this panel, I'm gonna go ahead and keep this close up. Gotta make sure I'm working in the screen for you. All right, so I wrapped the twine twice around the edge of the sentiment here. You see that? And now I'm gonna budge them right up against each other and tie a little bow. Here's my little bow, and we'll trim the baker's twine right off the bolt. Now I'm going to do a little fast fuse here. We're not going all the way to the edge with the string because we are going to overlap the edge here. See, we're going to position the sentiment so that it is about a 1/4 of an inch from the bottom here and overlaps the leaves. When you got it where you like it, burnish it down. Now I'm going to zoom back out so we can put this card together. Okay, last step here, we're going to get some dimensionals, and we'll put one on our lemon lime twist sentiment and 5 on our whisper white. I want it to be supported so it doesn't get crushed down. Okay, I don't like a card with a saggy center. All the adhesive is exposed. Let's flip. And we're going to add the panel so that it's centered right to left and adhere it down. Now you'll notice that our lemon lime twist is a little bit long. It's hanging off the edge there. So we'll get our little string out of harm's way, flip the card over, and trim off any excess. And there's our little friend Valentine. You're the kind of friend I'd share my branch with. All right, if you've got any questions about the 2018 Occasions Catalog, the new product that's offered, Celebration, and this fun Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper, how you can get it free. If you've got questions about the project or if there's anything I can do to help you stay crafty, email me, Marisa@kitchentablestamper.com. Thanks for watching.